Hi everyone, I'm just gonna show you how to make this gluten-free, grain-free wrap. It's included or so today I'm just gonna make with the spinach and this is almond flour, tapioca flour, and the arrowroot flour, and then I got 1 tablespoon of avocado oil that I have here, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of pinch of Himalayan salt. So I've been asked by Dr. Maggie to make this video to show to all my friends in the dance. So hopefully this will be helpful for you all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all the ingredients I show you in my blender. I'm gonna switch the camera around. This is my blender. So look at there. So what I got here is almond flour. Put that in. And this is tapioca flour. Just half the cup. Look at the powder. Just flies up everywhere. And this is arrowroot flour. This is like half cup as well. Just put it in there. And then I'm just gonna stuff this spinach leaves. This is about maybe 20 grams. It's organic spinach. That's what I try to use, everything organic these days. You know, gotta look after your health, eating everything organic, and just leave all the chemical behind us. And then I need a cup of water, so I'm just gonna pour the water in that cup. Let's see, this 1 cup. Pour in there. And that's 1 tablespoon of oil. This is avocado oil. It's good to use avocado oil or coconut oil for you know, high heat cooking. So I use this kind of oil instead of olive oil. Okay, let's put that lid on. So I'm just going to switch the camera around because I have to hold the lid. It's gonna be noisy. Isn't it? Okay, I'm just gonna check if it's everything mixed properly. So you're gonna blend them together completely. But sometimes spinach leaves just not really, you know, totally blend, but that's fine. Yeah, you see that? I think it's a bit watery, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of arrowroot. I think I put a little bit more water, so I'm gonna add just 1 tablespoon of the arrowroot flour. Just to get that consistency, just you know, not too watery. Just 1 tablespoon. This is my 2nd time of doing this, and it's just like invented. So forgive me. I never get used to this noise. It's so noisy. Alrighty. Just gonna check it again. So I think that will do. We'll give it a try. Now let's go to the stove. It's never easy to do this just by myself, isn't it? Need a cameraman. So I got this non-stick pan on, and we're just on that flame. I'm just gonna put it on high heat for a moment. I'll get some oil to coat pan a little bit so it doesn't stick, just in case. Just tiny bit. Just make sure it mixes well here. And we'll test it if it's hot. Yep. So I just pour that in, just enough. And then just move that around. This is pretty easy. It's going to be my lunchtime soon, so this is my lunch. Just gonna make some wrap. Hi, Celia. So you see how that turned out? It's popping. It's got bubbles. I'm just gonna cover that for a little bit so it cooks faster. Hi, Bugga. Hello. Hi, Tracy. How are you doing? So this is my first live cooking video. I've been asked by Dr. Maggie. So I thought I'm gonna give it a try and see how it goes. So I will switch back to my stove. So you see that green? Now it's become really dense. Isn't it? The color, so cool. And you know this, you can use anything, natural color. You can use capsicum, or you can use turmeric powder. Whatever flavor you like, natural flavor. I prefer natural, so I'm doing this, and just gonna flip that around and then give it like maybe a minute or so. Hi, Bugga. Young lady, yes. You are young too. Thank you for that. So you see that? Oops, flip, see? Now it's ready. I think it's just ready to eat. Yeah, so that's cool. I like to feel my food. I just put my fingers there. So I like to press them with my fingers, not that hot. Yeah, that's, and then, oops. And then you can just, you know, I'm gonna turn off the flame. I will finish this batch. I think we'll get about 7 or 8 of them that just like last for 2 days. Yeah, and then I'll just fill in with avocado, whatever filling you like, and then just wrap. I like with coconut sauce because I cannot eat dairy. So I use coconut cream and avocado, all kind of salad, whatever you can eat. And then some meat, some egg, filling in. Yeah, it's really yummy. Give it a try. And I will post the recipe on that, on the den or on my Facebook page. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Bye.